Okay, let me log in quickly here. And anyone would like to follow the PPT, please follow the PPT for the contents, okay? Because along with the content, you follow the SAP screen and you align with the same, right? It's easy for you to uh, attend the interview question to explain, okay? And I'll help you all, nothing to worry about preparation part in future, but you have to be up to date about every actions in SAP system. That's a major expectation from my end, okay? So I explained a couple of scenarios in the last session, and yesterday also we had a couple of interview questions where me and Manaswita managed to ask just general question. Just please go through that recording. It is placed in the Manaswita's folder. Okay, the same drive. So now imagine I have a scenario about any material. Okay, if I take any material, okay, I'll go with the display MA03 or MA05 is good to get the list, I think. Okay, I'm going to take any material here, or I can just pass the plant number. Okay, this is the list of source list ME05. I'm going to execute. ME05 will give the source list for the material. I'll be taking, if I take this material, ball bearing, and if I execute here, so I'll get the data here, like these many added. Okay, these are the vendors. I can see this. So many vendors are maintaining the same materials. If I open this line, or if I want to go with that, okay, better I can open here. So if I want to check the like least, in the sense individual I have to open, then I can go with MA03 and I can display this. Okay. So see example, if I come here with the chain mode, okay, but here it is not there. That it is, you see what happens in the list it is showing, but if I come here it is not there. I can maintain it also. Come back here, if I get here, okay, it's showing here added all the details or maybe vendor and all. See 5757. Someone added, but again it is deleted. I don't know. Okay, so let me go with again to here maintain. So I will maintain some couple of source is the contract. Okay, I'll try to generate MRP also. Through that MRP, it should pick up the contract number. That's an array. I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm not sure whether setting is rightly maintained, but I can configure if I want. Okay, simple. I go with the metal master, and I'll do it in front of you only. I have not done anything before in the sandbox. I have to recreate the scenario. Okay, anyway, this is learning for all of us. So you also can go and just manage in the company requirements, like business side requirement. So I'll be adding all the vendors here. Okay. So this and let's 01. And here I should add the contract number, right? I have to create one contract and I should add the contract. Then I should fix the vendor and I have to go with the MRP relevant. Okay, this kind of setup I have to do before I run the MRP. Okay, MRP scenario, you have to know how to generate a requisition through the MRP run. Okay, so for this, I have to maintain the MRP related views also. MRP side, what are the things to be maintained? I will maintain the MRP view and all with the planning and all. From that, system should look for the requirement of this particular material. Okay, so I'll try my level best to execute you on this part. Okay, this is a primary one for today. I'm going to save this. Okay, so not maintained by planning and control. Okay, see when I choose this MRP one, it is showing that message that there is no materials planning control is maintained. This is an error, not error message, it's a warning. Okay, means you're taking this entry. Okay, that before saving, it will warn user that whether it is done or not. Okay, now what I'll do, I will extend the views for the MRP. I'll add this material and I'll take the material type. It will take automatically from here if I enter the material. Then I'll take the MRP views. What are the mandatory details to be entered? I will enter that and I'll try to manage the MRP run. Okay, just follow me completely. Okay, here I can take MRP type is planning. Here I have to search for MRP PD. There are many MRP options are there like VB, VM, VB, VM, like that. There are few MRP side options are there which you can even forecast is the VB. Then automatic reorder point is there planning. then manual reorder point planning is there, right? Then time phased is there, right? Auto replenishment is there. These all will be managed by a PP consultant. They have more knowledge about the production planning and execution of their requirement through the MRP data. As a consultant, at least you should know what is PD, okay, how PD works, and how you manage to enter all the mandatory details. Okay, here you should find the MRP controller for this particular MRP controller. Okay, so I'll take any MRP controller here as a reference. Okay, and I'll put the lot size. Which lot size I'm going to take? Lot order. I'm going with the lot to order like that lot size. Okay, and in case you are manufacturing anything internally, then you should put both procurement type. Okay, or you're going with the only procurement outside, then you should put external procurement here. Okay, it's coming from the purchasing also, and in-house means you have to go with the E. Okay, then system will decide about the whether to generate the planned order, or whether to generate the requisition, purchase requisition. Okay, decision of the creating what in the system, it will be decided by this. Okay, in case you go with both, it will allow you to create a planned order, or maybe it allow you to create the purchase requisition like that. Okay, so here one field you can see what is product store location. Some cases where you issue the material to the production line from that particular location, not from the main location, then you can enter the that particular store location where you are going to production store location. You can maintain the field. Okay, other than that, you can maintain the GR processing time, how much it is required, and schedule margin key. Like there is a process like that. Manage the. So I'll create. Okay, I'll maintain the material with the MRP view. Okay, I'll go with that. Anyway, that got closed. Here I'll go inside of this material. Just one. Then I'll maintain the MRP related things. Okay, PD. Then controller here, and then I'll take here schedule margin key. See, this is more about how you're going to operate the process in the production line. Okay, so you can manage to keep what level of production where they want to keep some operation level, some break should be there. Like that, we will be the production planning team will take care of the schedule margin key. As a side, whenever you are anyone ask about schedule margin key, we are not the responsible team to give a solution on the schedule margin key. You have to reach out to production planning and you should ask about this requirement asked by business. Can you set up a configuration of this schedule margin key and give it to us? And for the testing purpose, we will choose always 000 as a standard. If anything customized is there, then you can take as a schedule margin key. Even I don't know how it works in a real time as a production planning site, but whenever anyone asks about selection part, testing part, just ask about the standard one. You use it for the testing, then you can use for the you can go with the customized one, and you can ask PP team that how this customized scheduled margin key will help and which process you can just refer this particular field. Okay, as of now I'm just taking as a reference from the system existing one. Okay, here you can see strategy group. Okay, in case you want to go with make to stock or make to order, right, this selection you want to choose, that time you can choose as per the business requirement by taking the reference from the information from the production planning team. This is for the testing purpose. We will just maintain as much as possible. Then definitely reaching out to the PP consultant will be good for your final solution. Okay, so now I'm going to save this material. Okay, from my end, like now in the sense I have done the maintenance of this MRP side material master data. Okay, if you maintain same data for testing purpose, it may work. Okay, or try once. Okay, with from your own side, from your side. And if you don't have an org structure, please use as of now the company code HW01, HW01 plant, all that whatever combination I'm using today. You just use it, then you can recreate whenever you want recreate part. Okay, in this is an easy system, not HANA. Anyone working in HANA, then you should develop that in the HANA system itself. Okay, see there are a lot of order is there. Okay, 230 numbers are there. Okay, these are the purchase orders are raised already in the system. Okay, if you see, okay, these purchase order, this requisition is open, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. total requirement is raised here as a this much of order, and that's why the stock is showing your stock quantity is 230 today, and order is still in still order is there, okay, in the system. If you go with MMB, that you can see the stock quantity also, how much stock quantity you received and how much you are in a like on order level. See, this is 230 is the uh, stock quantity and 237 is the on order stock. Okay, so totally if you see, it's a 467 number, right? Whatever you're seeing in MD04, it's all about the total. I think 477, sorry, 230 and it's 247, right? 477, yeah, sorry, calculation. 477 is the total the quantity which you have in a order plus like whatever you see the stock also. Now imagine if you have this much of stock, system will look for new order to generate. Okay, I don't think it will generate because I have not set up any. Let me try to generate the requisition. It will work. It will create or not. We will see that. Okay, or else we have to change the requirement. For example, if you go to MRP view, okay, so in MRP view, you have to set the requirement of this much of minimal stock is required. If you set that, then system will trigger the requisition to generate. Okay, in the sense in the system automatically it will ask for the requisition. See here, if you go with the safety stock, okay, let me check with the, okay, see here, there is this field called safety stock, minimum safety stock, like that. I have to maintain some stock, then system will look for the more number of requirement to like order requisition to raise, or else system will not go for the requisition where there is no requirement exists now system. I'll try out with the MRP run. If it takes or not, you just check it. Okay. So I'll go to MRP run now. Instead of taking the contract, I'll just do without contract firstly. Then I'll create the contract. Then I'll show you how the contract numbers are picked up in the requisition. With that, against that contract, PR is raised, and you can convert the PR to PO with reference to that contract number. So if you are not able to understand, just stop me. I'm doing plain MRP run. Then after that, I am maintaining the contract number. Then I am going to run the MRP run with respect to that contract to fetch it. Okay, MD01, MD02. So here MD02 single item multi-level in the sense, see, so I am going with the one material now with the one plant number, and here you can see the options. Okay, create this purchase requisition, and then schedule lines, then MRP list, planning mode, like that. Okay, so whenever you're going with the selection here, okay, so you can go with the net PL, okay, or net CS, like that. Okay, net change for planning horizon. There is a different expectation from the business that they want to run MRP with respect to this processing, okay, key. So that you can discuss with the PP team that what is the difference between net PL and net CH. Okay, it's more about planning horizon, like it's taking the requisition generation based on the planning horizon what they maintain through the one more transaction is there, they will maintain through that, and I'm going to run this planning run it just for testing. Definitely this is done by PPQM consultant, or PP consultant will take care of this all in the real time, but as a consultant you should know how to test it and get it done just to create the requisition. If they are not supporting, you can go and research this data and you can do it right with from your own effort. Okay, so here you can choose the selection, like I want to create a purchase requisition here. Okay, then here you want to create any schedule lines, then you can select the 3 schedule lines. Then you want to go with the MRP list, yes, you can go with the MRP list. Then planning mode will be a 1, adopt planning data normal mode. In case you want to delete the previous one, you can go and delete this, and you can get the new planning this mode. Okay, and then execute it. I'm just testing it with this particular material. Okay, then system picked up that information, and it's showing that material runtime this. So MRP area, like that, it's coming 47. This and update is 219. Something is coming here. Okay, so I don't know whether any changes happen, but it's showing no procurement proposals changed. There's no additional requirement, so it is not even picking up the new requirement. Let me check the MD04. There is nothing happened with the MD04 screen. So I'll maintain some more data, like in the sense requirement in the this metal master level. I'll go to MRP2 view. I'll try to update the stock. Okay, like safety stock. So I'll go here. I'll maintain minimum safety stock is like 500 number or 400 number. I can say 500. I'll make it more. Okay, safety stock this, and I'll save it. Just imagine I'm just maintaining. I need a for this material 500 number is safety, means it should be there in the location. Whenever I need for the production line, it should be there in the system. Okay, I'm just maintaining the safety stock. Now I'll try again with MD02. Okay, I'll enter this requisition. I'll try with both NetCH and NetPL. I'll try with NetCH now. So I'll take the schedule lines and I'll take with this. This is all okay, fine. And let's enter. Okay. Now I execute it here. So it's saying that purchase requisition created. Before it was not created, no proposal for the procurement. Now requisition got generated. Okay. Somewhere the need was there. Now system matches the requirement of 477 and how much minimum safety stock was there. Na? I will show that because this knowledge I say that it's not available anywhere. I am also testing in front of you only. And if any more knowledge you want, we can discuss with the PP people also, PP consultant. Okay, whatever I know, I'm going to share with you. I will not overcommit with you all. Okay, so this much knowledge I have with my experience of testing all the requirements, and real time also I have tested all this and I have given solution to the customer accordingly. Okay, see now it was 477. Then the safety stock expectation was 500 here safety stock. So system looked into safety stock automatically in the background because of the maintenance in the metal master level. Then it was like 270 is left out, means need to be procured, and it looked into the all the order and it got adjusted like this requirement is pending, and that's why it got raised, like requisition got created here. That you can see right here, one is here requisition, one is here now. Okay, so these to be converted. Now this is the one which I created on the date this. Okay, 678 is coming. If I display this particular requisition, this is coming here with the fixed vendor. Whatever I fixed in the MRP list, in the source list, it picked up that vendor and system got automatically generated the PR. How to see this? This is automatically or manually. So you can go to status, sorry, not status, contact person. Here you can see with how this is generated. Okay, if you see this is always B, it's material requirement planning. I think if it is a production or order level or the other manually you're going to do, then it will show other details here. Okay, or you just check with manually creation time, which will be, I think R will come. R is a real time manual. R will come whenever you're creating the manual requisition. Whenever you're converting from the from the MRP run, then always it will be showing as a B. Okay, see other all HANA, this MRP controller, all that it is coming from the middle master. Okay, so if you ask what is the MRP controller, that for any business requirement to run the production activity, and who is taking care of the controlling activity of all that setting up and all, right? So MRP controller will be there for an entire process and all. So that business will decide like how many MRP controller should be there in the production line. Okay, hope you are following. Just stop me in case you're not able to understand. I'm just showing very simple example of in quantity, in the sense maintaining the safety stock. There's this number, then stock is there for 230 something, and 247 is in like on order stock. Then system understood that 23 number is shortage now. That need to be procured first as a safety stock to need to be fulfilled. Now 23 number, that requisition is showing here. Okay, that you have to convert PR to PO. Okay, in case if I update contract number in the source list, how it will work? Okay, I have to go to ME01. So I'll take this details. Okay, I'll take the vendor also here. This one. I'll take first material and I'll go and create the contract. Okay. After this is very important question asked in the interview also, if anyone asks, and real time scenario this one. Okay, if you get into the organization level, you want to work on these scenarios, please practice more and more, or else you'll be facing difficulty during your delivery time. Okay, project delivery time, you will not able to handle that pressure. Okay, H001, and here I'll be taking the vendor, and I'll be going with the MK agreement type, and I will go with the coverage of selection of this. Okay, if anyone joined recently, you have not gone through the contract creation MK or WK, please refer the previous sessions, and even schedule agreement also it is there. In case I missed out to cover, then let me know. okay, this data is not there in the recording, then I can give a one more round of discussion on these topics. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, here I'm going to maintain the contract. Yesterday I was talking about if contract is expired, then how the system will behave and all. Also, I will explain you. That is also interview question. Okay, whether it is able, whether you are able to create the order with respect to the expired contract also not, right? All that I will explain. Okay, if I get time, I will do it today only, because this is like continuation of all this series, right? Then I can get into the. Okay, I'll go with the March. Okay, March contract till March 31st. I have a contract with the vendor. I'm going to maintain this contract, and I'll choose the material here. And this is the material. Then quantity, how much I'm going with? 100 or 1000. Set it. I'll put the price here. Okay, see price I'm going to maintain now. Now observe it. Okay, I maintain some 100 as a net price. Okay, here. So or 102 I can give. Why net price is not taking? Net order price, target quantity. Please check the price. Any condition is missing here. Let me check the conditions. Okay, so someone maintain. Yeah, we only maintained last time with the customized pricing procedure. In the customized pricing procedure, we have taken the condition type. Anyone not able to understand the pricing procedure, please watch pricing procedure again, where I have taken 4 hours of session. I think maximum 4 hours I have covered maximum scenario over there. Please watch it and make sure after watching that you are not able to execute in the system. Then you raise a concern with our team, and they will take care of your knowledge level gap, anything. Okay, it's for newcomers I'm talking about. Okay, already you say like I know about this pricing. Better you can watch it and then you come back with your open doubts. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. Okay, all this entry, like from that gross price impact, gross price, all that, right? It is coming here as a amount. Let's see how it works. If I enter here 100, okay, and it's working. Okay, so if I want to change the price, I can go and change the price also. If I want to change here as a different price, I have to go to condition. From that I have to choose a condition. From here I can change the percentage and all, or else it will come in the PO level. There I can change the price. Okay, now imagine I'm going to convert this to requisition. Okay, in the sense I'm going to maintain that contract number. I'll take it from here only. Contract number. Today I created one contract. I'll go with this material. It will show multiple details are here. Okay, but if you see the combination of this type, okay, and whenever you see F, it's always order. Keep in mind, when you see F means it's order, or maybe schedule agreement, it will be L. Okay, then if it is a contract, it's K. If I click on here, okay, so it will take here as agreement. If you have a multiple line item, then put the line item of 1 or 2, how many you have, right? If you have more line item, you can add multiple lines here. So then you can just save this. Okay, now my expectation is what? Whenever you're converting the requisition, I will run MRP run again. Whether we'll see whether SAP will allow us to create the requisition. If not, we will delete the requisition of open PR before we have done 60 number, right? That we can delete it, and system will look for 60 numbers on this contract. Now, see, this is all experiment I'm doing in front of you only, nothing else. Okay, I'm not even prepared about this data before. Yeah, because of shortage of time. And also you'll also learn about this, right? Okay, I'm going to execute this with the requisition here and all. I will enter here and I'll try to run again MRP. I'll see whether MRP will take or not. Okay, I just run here and it says purchase requisition got changed. Can you see here? Okay, existing purchase requisition got changed. Maybe there is a chance something it got updated with the new data. Maybe I'm not very sure. I'm just testing it in front of you. If something got updated, we'll go and just check it. If not, I will try to recreate the MRP run by deleting the existing requisition, and then system will pick up the new contract number that reference will take, and it will convert the PR. And in real time, we will ask business to delete the PR and run this MRP to pick up the new contract details. Okay. If it is hectic, then let me know. I will definitely educate you on this topic again. And you go through system and you run this and you find challenges, then come back and discuss with us. We will help you. Nothing to worry. Okay. So here, if I see, it's showing 23, that's previous only. I will just check whether in this year contract number is showing or not. Okay, see here. This is the magic. Okay, this is a magic. The system adopted the contract number which is maintained in the source list. It came and got updated into the PR string. This is a magic. Okay, so not required to go and just maintain manually in the requisition. It is not updated. In case I want to delete the previous requisition which is having a which don't have a requisition like a contract number. Even the business is expecting that requisition should have a contract number. Then how to do it? I can take this requisition. Okay, I can delete this requisition. Okay, in this ball bearing, I don't want to continue with this particular vendor in that time. Okay, in that case, I can go here, change. I can delete the indicator here. I can set the indicator here like this. Select this, and I can set the indicator deletion. Okay, it will be deletion indicator for the ball bearing. Here you can see this, and then you can save this here. Then you come back here and refresh it. Okay, now you can see that requisition got deleted in the system now. Okay, still it is showing some stock quantities like shortage is there. Okay, after that I can run again MD0 to generate new requisition. Okay, here I can give one as a requisition to generate, then press enter, then enter. Okay, purchase requisition got changed again, it's coming. Okay, I want to see whether new requisition got generated or it's going with the existing voltage. So I'll go to MD04 and I will check any other requisitions are here other than this. Only one, right? This one. Until unless you are not converting that requisition to order, system will not look into something new. It just go with this and it will update the quantity. Are you getting my point? It was before how much number? 23 number. And there was a requirement of more 10 numbers. By checking all the calculation, system updated the requisition with a 10 more number. Are you getting my point? This is all magic you can see here in the system. I know this all experience is not even taken by you all. This is the first time you're experiencing. So this is the experiment you should do in the system. You can create new data for you, create lots of requisition, lots of order, then come back and discuss, run the MRP or go and update the safety stock, then come back and do this and create the contract, maintain the contract in the source list, and try to delete the requisition which is open in the system, then try to run MRP. It will update the requisition like this. In case if I increase the safety stock, then it will pick up the new contract with the new requisition. It will take only the existing one. Until unless I am not converting, it will go with the existing one. I will try also. See, already I tried. Now I will convert this requisition to order. Okay, then I will run. It will create a new contract, new requisition. Okay, I'll just go here and go to ME21N and I'll pick up this requisition details. Go here and get the details here. And I will show you the price which is picking from the contract. Okay, requisition. Okay, execute. Get this. Add here. Okay, so here it's picking up all the contract and all. See, coming here, you can see the contract, and then go to conditions. And in the condition, okay, I'm going with the normal phase only, not I think speed. You can just go through this recording again. Okay, see, this is the condition I maintained in the impact price, all that. No, this is the procedure which we maintained last time, and I maintained a lot of updates in the surcharge, customized surcharge, discount, and then freight, then custom discount. All this I have done in the pricing procedure. Okay, so please walk through it again and again, get the experience of pricing procedure with the customized requirement. These are all customized requirement which we maintained last time. The value it's picking up from the contract. How to check that? If you go with ZW81 gross price, so here you can see nothing is showing in the condition record missing, right? Nothing is picked up from the other area, other condition table. Or even you have a condition record like this, metal group and all, it did not pick up. It picked up with the first priority is about contract. Okay, in the contract you can see the price is maintained. That price is coming here. Net order price 100. If I change the net order price in the contract level, it will update the new price. I can change it manually also. There is no gray out option here. I want to check that how to manage this configuration. Like once I maintain in the contract or maybe in the info record, it will flow into a PO, and user should not allow to change the value update in the PO. That I have to research one thing and then I'll update you soon. Okay, that is pending because even I did not try in my experience. But few are asking like how to do it. I will check and update you. Is it like configuration or something I have to talk to a mapper to do the the graying out field, or maybe not to change. I think it's a configuration only. We will see that. Okay. So I'm going to save this particular PO. Now I will try to create a like run MRP. Okay. Experiment all this. Okay. If I do now, see, no procurement proposal change. It will not even look into the requisition that is already converted to PO now. It will not change now. I'll go to MM02 and I increase now 550 as a MRP safety stock. Okay, I'll go here and I'll put the store location, sorry. I'll make it 550 and minimum 500. Okay, see, minimum 500 I'm giving, minimum safety, and safety stock I'm giving 550. I'm just trying with different number. Let's see how it works. Okay, I'll go with MD02 now or MD04. I want to see how the system will behave about the shortage of stock. Okay, it's saying now 550 is the minimum. 550 is the safety stock I maintain. So it's a 320 requirement is pending and 50 is the shortage. Before it was 10 was there, then it got into the PR and PO is now open 30. It will calculate like this. You just see the calculation. Okay. So like this, it will minus, then finally it's showing 50 minus is out of 320. 50 is there now, minus. Okay. Now I'll go and just run MD02 and I try to run with this combination and execute. Okay. Purchase requisition created. Okay. Now if I see the MD02, MD04 for the stock requirement list, if I go here, if I open this particular thing, it got converted to 50 number, 33 was the 50 number requisition generated. If I open this particular requisition number, it will be new. Okay, with the MRP run, you can see here status or contact person. You can see MRP run, and it picked up the group which I have maintained already, and you can see the data here. It picked up this contract. In case this contract got now expired, this is one more interview question. If I go to ME 32K and this contract got expired, okay, I can put the date of contract. If I go to header level, I'll mention some old contract date. Okay, maybe I can say this has 23 and this is the 24. Okay, so it's saying the validity is in the past. Anyway, I'm just testing it. I'm going to save it. So I got now contract update. So I will do one thing just for testing. I'll go to MD04. I will delete the requisition now. Okay, I'll delete this and I'll try to run one more round MD04. Okay, I want to see whether system will check whether its contract is expired. I don't think so. Okay, I'll go here ME52N. Then, sorry, I have to change this expression number to this. Okay, enter, and here I'm going to delete this. Yes, I've set for deletion indicator. I'll save this. I'll go to MD04 and I will update the screen here. So still it is showing 50 number is left out now. Okay, this 50 we have to run now MD02. Make it 1 and purchase requisition created. I can go to MD04 now and I can check the stock. So it's created now. Requisition, open this and display this. And if you come here, system is picking up the contract number which is expired. What is the solution if business asks? Like only solution is about sending a notification. Okay, contract is expired. Somewhere someone should know that contract is expired. There is no standard setting available to pick up the, to propose that contract is expired. You have to convert PR through the manually or maybe MRP. It will not allow like that. There's no coding written in the standard SAP. It will pick up the existing contract number. If business says I have a 2 contract number, already it's expired, I don't want to delete that. I want to keep it as open. I can change manually after some time if I want. Like that they'll say, right? And they will say, I want to pick up the new contract number. How you will manage it? You have to ask them to create a new contract by referring the old contract. I can see like this, copy this, go to ME31K. And then you can copy the contract. The reference to contract is there. I think copy is there option. Okay. Reference document like this from item. Okay. Reference item. Okay, I'm going to maintain new contract number now. Okay, for a period of 3 to 4 months, I think. Okay, imagine. So I'm going to maintain this, and I'm going to add this location. All is done. Enter it off. All good. And enter 102. Okay, I'll go to condition. Okay, I maintained here 10.22. Here it's coming. But the impact price is calculating based on the entry. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, now it's got saved. So this is a new contract. Now, even you have a new contract, system will not take that. I will show that also. ME, okay, MD04. I will delete the entry and I will go with this. This is all learning for you. It's very, very important one. Okay, so you'll not get this kind of experience. You have to practice more and more. Then only you can go and talk about this scenario in your interview also. I'm straightly saying you, if you want to say about this properly, say about this. This is the experience which I got in last project. Okay, and it's a kind of an implementation project requirement. It's not like a standard. Directly you cannot do this all. You should have some knowledge about the same. Okay, now I'll go and try to create a MRP run. So now you see whether it will pick up the 308 or 309. Even I will not even update in the source list. If I maintain the source list, it will come. That is for different. That is different case. Now I am just checking with the validity. Validity is like latest one, which is expired. It should pick up the latest one normally, right? As per the business understanding, they will think like that only. But SAP will not propose in that way. If you see this purchase requisition created, if you go to MD04 and if you search here, and here you can see the requisition, and if you come here, okay, so system picked up old only. It will not understand about expired or maybe new or nothing. It will only look into the source list. Now, if I go to source list and I maintain I will just explain this to business that if you want to maintain two lines separately with this vendor and other vendor, you maintain both the things, but maintain the fixed indicator with the other. I will explain that. Example, if I go with here with a new entry, the same vendor, okay, but same entry you cannot maintain. You can maintain other entry, right? So you cannot maintain here as a two lines. Okay, what you can do is only option is about changing the existing contract. Okay, like this you can change, and you can see that this is a new one. You want to get every update part you want. Even I will try with updating the existing one. We'll see whether contract will update or not. That one we can do it. Once we can test it, then if it is not updating the new contract with the same requisition, then we have to delete the requisition and do MRP run again. Okay, so we'll try once that MD02, and we'll see whether it will update the existing requisition with the new contract number from the source list. Okay, enter here. See here, purchase requisition change. This is a good thing that even after updating the source list, it should look into the source list and it should update the existing requisition with the new purchase requisition number. Right? Sorry, contract number. Sorry, contract number will be there. See here. Okay, this is the solution. In case you are creating another round of MD02 and stock is like required, like more you want stock number, right? Like safety stock is maintained more. In case they want more, then it will generate another round of requisition, how much left out quantity, and then it will have a contract number. Then you can convert this PR to PO. Definitely the contract will be consumed, how much quantity you have raised, and it will show that this much of quantity is consumed with this respective contract, and how much you want in future. It keep on taking it from the contract, and once it is expired, in the sense not expired, the quantity is exceeding the contract quantity, still system will pick up the same contract number even it is exceeding. Okay, quantity. It will not understand that to take it or not in the PR. It's your job to inform business that contract number is exceeded. Now you have to change the contract number, and then you run MRP again. It will update the requisition accordingly with the new contract number. Okay, clear? Any questions with this particular activity? I know something it's new for you, or it takes some time to understand and analyze, and you have to make a note of same. Watch it accordingly, like in the sense, if you are learning full time, take the recording after uploading in the drive. I'll try to share the recording link to Manaswita. She'll upload. Okay, please watch it again 2 times, 3 times, write it down all the points, create every activity from scratch. Like creating of a material master, creating a requisition order, all that, make it all that like ready, do the year invoice and all, then come back and update the safety stock, in the sense MRP views, then try to create a MRP run with all the selection and check it, then create a contract, then check it, then maintain the contract with the expired date. It still take that same contract, then come back and maintain the new contract number and update in the source page, like that. Whatever I have done in last, I think 35 minutes, 35 minutes, I have maintained a lot of things and I explain. If I am able to do it in 35 minutes, you can able to do it in 1 hour or 2 hours time. If you are really focused on this session, step by step, it will be there in your mind, registered. It's just go to and just recap all the steps. If possible, ask someone to document this kind of a scenario in SAP. Whatever I did it right today, I don't have much time to create the documentation step by step, but as a you are learning today, anyone, so you have to take up this kind of a scenario from SAP screen, and you have to make a beautiful document, like how we used to do, right, in the LinkedIn or wherever it is. Make a documentation and try posting in your LinkedIn feed. So then people will be seeing your profile, your documentation. Then they say you are looking for a job opportunity, open to work. Then definitely it will get highlighted. Like we're all got a intern with us, right? Like from couple of years, like from 3 to 4 years. So they are used to go with only this 3-4 months. They used to go through all this knowledge and they used to document a lot of things and proposing to a customer, in the sense in the LinkedIn feed only. They used to get more and more likes and they will get a call from the organization level. When they mention open to work, then they will pick it up and they will look for a job opportunity. Yeah, I'm stopping here anyway. If I take another topic, it will be hectic for you all. So not to merge anything today. Okay, I will continue tomorrow with the new topics. If anything I missed out in the scenarios. Okay, a special procurement process I'll start tomorrow. In that, if I get some more scenario, I will just definitely explain you all. Okay, not to worry. So let me summarize with the video mode. It will be easy for you to watch this only with this video. To make a short, what I can say, a short note you can do, and you can just try that process in the SAP system. Okay, I'm improving my skill also in the coaching. How best I can do this, how I can manage this kind of a scenario. If you are saying, Prashant, can you make a couple of scenario basis steps in the video mode? You talk about this. I'm practicing with you all today, and I can in this batch. So I'll practice. I'll experiment my coaching skills. Then okay, I'll create a lot of videos or reels, and yeah, I'll try to become famous in the social media. Okay, support me. Okay, anyway, joke apart, I'm serious also, not joking. Let's start. Like now I will talk about entire summary. Okay, I will try to cut this video and I can use it in my YouTube also. Firstly, what I did for the MRP run, I managed to check all the stock requirement list. I went into MD04 and I checked about the existing stock and I checked about the open PO and how many PRR are there in the MD04. That's the first check. Then what I did next step, if I want to run MRP through requisition, next step is to maintain the MRP views. So that is not completely MM job. It's a MM and PP integration, I can say. You have to talk to PP team that all the configurations are ready or not. Once it is ready, you can do this testing in the development system only. As a functional unit testing only you can do. If they say, okay, it's there, tested already, you can check it in the quality system. You can test it in the quality system also. Okay. So MRP views to be maintained. So whenever you're going with the planning run, like its PD is the standard we can choose. If you want to go with the reorder point or maybe other option or then automatic something is there. Okay, VV, VM and VV, VS, there are options are there. We will explore. We'll explore all the options available in MRP. Whatever I know, I will explain, or else I'll call Jivan Nayak, who has a more exposure of PP side and he managed to train before on that area. Okay, once you maintain all that PD, then a lot size X, then MRP controller, then schedule margin key. These are the field are mandatory. Maintain all the fields and then maintain the safety stock. How much you want to test it? Okay, in the sense business says like I want to have a 500 stock to be there in my system. Then system will propose the requisition to generate automatically, or they want to manufacture internally. Then it will generate the planned order. Okay, like when you run the MRP, it will generate the planned order. Planned order will be converted to production order. That's it, nothing else. Okay, this is simple, not to put your mind in so many multiple things. Just simple way. This is about make to stock only concept. You have to get stock in your premise as much as possible. Make to order means whenever the order is there from the sales side, like that much only you propose to get the order, and you get you'll just fulfill the requirement. Like whatever forecast requirement, or maybe presently they're looking some order only. I don't want to keep any stock in my premise because this is only for the specific to customer. Okay, customer is looking for a customized requirement of this item. I will just do it for that order, and I proceed further with the production activity or procurement activity. Then I produce all the numbers and I manufacture it and I'll supply it to the customer. That's it. Make to order. Make to stock means you keep stocking in your premise, where whenever the business come up and ask, like at any moment that you are the big producer for one particular component and multiple customers are there, they're ordering you here and there, and you are like having confidence that that product is really required in the future with many customers. It's a common item. I can say take a bulb or maybe a socket or something, which is like standard item, which can be purchased by anyone with a brand name. Okay, maybe any brand you take, they will just do the make to stock and they will just sell it to the customer. If it's a customized requirement, then definitely it's only for one or two customers, then they go with the make to order. In case you want to learn more about make to order, make to stock, please talk to PP consultant. They will have a lots of knowledge about this area. I just taken how much I want from the PP consultant. Okay, I will do just I will experiment with the knowledge what I have. Okay, this is about the summary of metal master level knowledge and how to maintain all that. Then you come back to MRP run. Select the selection screen will be there. NetCH you can change. You can use at this moment to go with the changes requirement what you are running. NetCH you can select. You can select the planning part. Then go with requisition creation. Then schedule margin. Schedule lines to be created. You can select that. Select the standard entry for the planning mode and all. Okay, 1 you can select. So it's 1311 and NetCH. Enter the material plant number. Execute it. Okay, after maintaining the stock, then it will update the existing requisition to increase the numbers. Okay, it will increase the number of the existing requisition. Okay, in case you want to experiment with the contract number, then create the contract and maintain in the source list. It will update on the requisition level that contract number also. In case you maintain the new source list, new contract number where old contract is expired, but still system will understand only the old contract details only to update. If any changes is there, it will not take up. Then you want to take a new contract in the requisition, then update the contract in the source list, then go and execute it. Then it will update the new contract with the old requisition. Okay, clear? How was it? It was good or bad? At least speak up. What is the outcome? Like, yeah, I know this is something new for you all. I want to know from your end. Like, I will keep couple of sessions to explain. You explain me. So you are learning from my end. Now you have to do this, execute the same, and come back. Anyone can take the responsibility of running their. See, there's one situation come up after completing all the session. I'll be calling all who are all asking for the resume preparation and job. Then your job is to take up all the things to execute and explain me. That's it. If you explain everything, whatever I know, then you are eligible for 100% placement. Okay, so this system is good, right? So people will not blame. Hey, Prashant, you did not place me. If you do this much of experience, you execute it, definitely you'll get a job 100%. Okay, then you can pay 1 month salary to me and I'll enjoy with that money. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you all. Any questions are there? Please ask me. See, I do much funny things, but I am very serious during training time and all. Coaching time, I'll not talk much. And okay, if you want to learn and experience from my end, I'm there to educate you. And even if you contacted me a few days back, Prashant, can you educate, in the sense, can you prepare our CV and help us to get interview? Because already we got an offer with companies, but yeah, can we try with the better opportunity? Then they reach out to me. I will help you all. Anyone is rushing for the interview preparation, I will just evaluate your knowledge. You are really good to manage whatever I covered till today. At least this week, whatever you covered, then Sunday I will set up some time for you and prepare you the resume. At least you can start applying for the opportunity where we have covered almost now 60% of the content of 3 to 4 years experience. Even I can say 5 years experience also you are going to join some company. This is enough. Like Atul has very good understanding now. Teja, Prajwal, Lokesh, and Vidya, and even Bharati also now picking up things. Vinay also going through some of the scenarios. Mohammed, all Sukanya. I don't want to differentiate everyone anyone here. And I did not do much discussion with the few Nazir, Sheikh Nazir, Arti, and all. You should come up and ask me for a schedule. I can even evaluate your profile, how much you know. Firstly, you take evaluation from Manaswita. She is the one who can grind you as much as possible in all the topics. Then after that you come to me, then it will be very clear that the topic which like maybe she's not able to manage that discussion, then it will come to my queue. It will be more clear that I can help you on that. I can give it to Mayur or maybe someone in my team to just do the mock interviews again and again. Okay, multiple mock interviews I'll keep, and that will help you to crack the interviews. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Have a great day. See you all tomorrow. And I will try to manage one scenario maximum, then I'll close it. Okay, I think it's enough for the content, whatever I covered. I'll try to create one more. If you want pricing procedure, I can create one more in front of you just for testing purpose, just summary of what is what. It will be having a, it'll have a more kind of a exposure for you all. Okay, and I'll try to create some data in the uh, in the in the metal master level also. I will try something adding more information in the metal master, how it will work out. Okay, then how to fetch some of the this output part also. Output determination is not done. I'll take up that separate session, but in my system, Adobe is not supporting. I'll check whether I can install Adobe and all something. Then I will help you on the output determination part, printing of a PO, printing of a contract, printing of a schedule agreement, right? Printing of GR, I am not very sure. I will try that also. These are the four. These are the four areas in MM side. You should know all the four forms are asked in the discussion, like sorry, in the business requirement. Okay. Thank you all. See you all tomorrow. I hope this session was happened well, and it is a like, kind of a new experience for all of you. I know, and even I tested in this sandbox first time today, and it worked out luckily. Okay. And if you want something new, customized configuration, like I want to generate PR with a new document type, how to do it? Even I don't know. I have to research and come back. And if someone managed to do it, then let me know. I can recreate the data in the system. How to manage new condition, a new configuration on the document type. Example, you have a document of ZNB, ZUB, or ZE document type in the requisition. How system will understand whether to create a NB or UB or ZNB or with respect to subcontracting, consignment, or whatever it is, right? We have to experiment a lot of things, right? See, we are doing today standard knowledge of exploring from the SAP system. But when I work on the more and more customized requirement, what MRP level PP are doing, PP people are doing, go approach them, ask all these things, how these are managed by real time, then discuss, get the information, come here, talk, and let's experiment to create such data. If not possible, I will reach out to PP people and ask, how to do it, man? Come, explain me whatever you know as experience of 5 to 6 years experience PP, right? Come and explain us how to manage this in the configuration to pick up the different document type, different special procurement to generate the requisition. Okay, clear? Thank you all. Have a nice day and practice as much as possible. I'll try to give open access today with the recording, today's recording. Then later, Manaswita will upload into the. I think it'll take 1 hour, 2 hours to save the recording. Then I will just remind me someone in the group or maybe call me after 9:30 or 10. Okay, open questions we can discuss tomorrow. No issues. Just come back with open questions tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.